3,000 yuan, a ton of domestic classic cars. A friend from Shaanxi contacted me, said he found one. Very old classic car. At first glance, it is a Shanghai brand sedan from the 1980s. The interior is okay. Nothing is missing. It's just a broken front windshield. It looks a little worse. The car door is about to fall off. However, the price is very cheap. For 1,500 bucks. Take it down, load it up, take him home. I used 1,800 yuan for shipping and brought it home from Shaanxi. I have a particularly bad problem. Just love to take advantage. Love takes advantage. Always want to pick up leaks. I didn't expect it to leak in again. Blame me for not looking closely at the engine. The engine has been soaked in water. Every detail is covered with rust. It's really careless to kill people. No way, the car is already home. Whatever you have. What is my slogan? If you can turn it, you can get it. Look at this fan, it's almost rusting. But he can turn. Let's get him started again. Push him into the repair shop. Give him the engine. Take it off and fix it. The screws are rusted to death. Let's heat it up with a roaster. This can be better disassembled. Put down. I have to shout my gosh a million times to fix this car. Many of the screws are rusted to death. You can only disassemble it little by little. The engine finally came down. The engine of this car, I never had it repaired. You can only disassemble it little by little. Look, there's a lot of rust in here. Look at this makeup device. Screw. All rusted to death. Screws for bottom base. It's rusted to iron. There's really a way to take it down. Oh, what a sad person. Hey, it moved, Hey, it's open. Haha. After my dad saw the video I sent, said he really liked the car too. Because when I was a child, my relatives had it. One of the same models. So I made a bold decision. Fix this car and give it to my dad. Well, you guessed it right. I really hit the jackpot. This valve has been flooded. Finally, I had a big surprise. The camshaft is especially new. It means the engine hasn't been used much. Let's hurry up and remove the steel cover for it. See what's going on inside. Unfortunately, I got it right. This steel cylinder has been flooded with water. There is no way but to bite the bullet and fix it. Oh my god. This time it's the special prize. It's all rust. This is accessible. What's wrong? Look, it's all rust and dirt. Put the cylinder head. Clean all the accessories of the valve. The valve is not tightly closed. Restart the valve on him. Disassemble the fire for him. Clean all the old rust inside. Looking at the fire, the soul is stuck. A happy thing this week, no problem. Saved me another few $100. Clean all the accessories. Prepare for subsequent assembly. Clean and polish the cylinder block. I really can't paint. I can only drive the ducts to the shelves. Clean and maintain the carburetor for it. This is useless. Please forgive me. This engine, I really haven't opened it. Only in a particularly stupid way. And just lay it out. Because I'm really afraid of being careless. Forget where he disassembled it from. I know this method is really stupid. But he's really practical. I'm really liking myself more and more. Look at the beautiful steel brush. The same special spirit as hyped up every day. Busy from morning to evening. Busy from day to night. After the engine is done, put all the exterior parts, disassemble it all for him, before buying a car. Look at the tendons on this car are very bad. I want to come back, just get the tendons right and it's okay. I didn't expect the engine to be soaked in water. There is no way. Took 5 or 6 days. Fix the engine for him. After pulling the engine, come back and look at the tendons again. God, I'm really speechless. When I bought a car, I didn't think the board tendons were so bad. Pull it back and take a closer look. Hey, it's bad here too. It's rotten there too. Another big project. If you like it, don't say anything. Hurry up and do him. Remove the front bridge for him and repair it for him. I feel like I'm full of energy every day. A day passed in the blink of an eye. Every day from morning to night. I'll fix this one for $3,000 a ton. Cost $4,500. The domestic classic car picked up by picking up the leak. Witness. Wasted. Remove all the parts from it. Take it to sand. Put the old rust on it. Clean it all up. Money is not wasted. Look how clean it is. I'm going to kill. I can't leave my little vulture assistant idle either. Let him remove the rust inside the chassis. All polished clean. Look at the beauty. And then we spray it with epoxy primer. It was all done in a while. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I really dismantled the chassis of a car for the first time. It has to be arranged in such a stupid way. I am afraid that I will accidentally put it wrong and then it will not be installed. Paint all the parts. Reinstall it for him. It was amazing. Be extra careful when installing the engine, because if you don't pay attention, it is easy to break the engine for him. After the engine is installed, put 4 doors on the coconut board. Install it all for him, and then, it's the butt of the car and the rotten part of the front of the car. Cut it all off. Rebar repair. Repair the old car. The worst part was the tendons. Time-consuming, labor-intensive, particularly troublesome. All the rotten parts of the details knife must be dug up. Solder it back together. Whole car bar. Took 15 days to fix it. After spraying the restoring primer, fix all the details for it. Now this is the exciting part. Start painting. I spent tonight in the off-plan room. Watch him transform little by little. I'm really happy. While spraying paint, the trim of the body, all the lamps have been repaired and sorted out. Clean the old soil on the surface. Replace all the light bulbs with new ones. Long sleeve part. I'll scrub it clean with mystery potion. Okay, the lights for the whole car are sorted out. I feel the effect is still very good. Going to Shanghai, I'm also home. Let's put the front and rear windshields first. Blow installed in place. These lights are all fixed. Let's take a look at this headlight. this electroplating ring? I remade him an old one, and the headlights happen to be made of glass. Let's wipe him out with a mysterious medicine box. Extremely bright lights. I got him a new one. Then the overall effect is very good. Okay, let's start hitting him. Put this body note on it. It's beautiful. I'm sure many friends will ask me, why did you paint this car red? Because I want my dad, forever as young and beautiful as this color. Always so vibrant. Let's hurry up and install him. Install all exterior volumes in place. Give him a warmer song. Let's install the middle net again. Install the middle net. Hey, it looks good. Let's close the lid on the chicken soup. See how it works. The overall effect is also very good. Spray some mystery potion. Wipe the front bumper out. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Headlights. Fog lamp. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Open the new nose. Install all the components of the steering wheel. Hey, okay, no problem. Put a flagpole on him. Our domestic cars must hang the flag on him. Let's put the doorknob on for him. Feels very good after installing it. Okay. Fix the exterior rearview mirror of the car for him again. Refurbish it. Doorknob sprays him with some mystery potion. Wipe him out. Let's speed things up. Install all interior components in place. More kiss on the ground. Dad, I have a surprise for you. Okay, this color is oops. Red dots are okay. Look, he's squinting his happy eyes. Haha, let's go. Call directly. Let's go, son. Go for a walk. Let's go. Which way to turn left? Turn left. I haven't been with my old man for a long time. Dad took pictures together. I can feel that he is very happy today. This is what the Shanghai car looked like when it first arrived. Took me 2 months. Repair it to its current state. The back of the trunk is seriously deformed. I trimmed and welded it again. Restore this tattered interior. Restore him to his current state. I especially like to enjoy the process of repairing the old car. Especially repairing an old domestic car filled me with passion. It was full of energy. Finally, I wish the motherland prosperity. I wish all fathers in the world a long and healthy life. I wish my dad good health. Can stay by my side forever.